my friend. Have a blessed day to you who are watching right now. Today, I'm going to cook a cassava. Cassava, scientifically known as Manihot esculenta, is a starchy root vegetable that belongs to the Euphorbiaceae plant family. Native to South America, cassava is a perennial plant with multiple regional names such as Brazilian arrowroot, manioc, or yucca. It's predominantly grown in Nigeria, Thailand, Brazil, and Indonesia. Cassava grew in the most of Tanzania, and its harvest takes place during the dry season. Although the consumption of sweet cassava is more common, better varieties are also available in the market. You can usually store them in their shredded or unshredded form. You can interchangeably use fresh or frozen cassava. The mature cassava plant's roots are extensive, while the addition of leaves into the staple diet is minimal. The nutritional composition of cassava roots and leaves depends on the harvest period, age of the plant, and geographic location. In addition, the approximate minerals composition of cassava roots is significantly different from leaves. For example, 100 grams of roots provides 176 milligrams of calcium, while the leaves provide 708 milligrams. The south zone of Brazil is home to both wild subspecies and domesticated cassava. People include them in numerous ethnic and national dishes to reflect diversity and versatility. In the 16th century, Portuguese traders introduced cassava to Africa to replace the native African crops. Furthermore, cassava cultivation was introduced in parts of Kerala, a South Asian state, to substitute rice. However, its popularity rose majorly in Vietnam, Thailand, and Tanzania. Nutritional properties of cassava. Cassava possesses multiple benefits in terms of health, impact, and nutrition. It is a nutrient-dense replacement in the snack aisles of both Western and Asian markets. Nutritional values. The following nutrients are present in 100 grams of cooked cassava. Nutritional values. The following nutrients are present in 100 grams of cooked cassava. Calories 191, fiber 2 grams, carbohydrates 40 grams, fat 3 grams, protein 1.5 grams, monounsaturated fat 0.908 grams, sodium 205 milligrams, sugar 1.67 grams. Dietary fiber 1.8 grams. Cassava roots are particularly rich in vitamins. The proximate vitamins and minerals present in cassava. Health benefits of cassava. Rich in vitamin C. Cassava is rich in vitamin C. Resistant starch. Cassava is a good source of resistant starch that mimics soluble fiber properties. Serves as energy fuel. Cassava is dense in carbohydrates. Protection against liver cancer. Low in sugar. Repairs kidney damage. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.